I can create a new project directly from the information I have within CompanyCam. I'm going to search by project number, customer name, address. I search for the first few numbers of this address. I can locate this project I have, and then we click on the green Link to CompanyCam project button. Let's just create this report so you can see this integration in action. The primary image section on the title page, we now have another button where we can add directly from CompanyCam. We give this a click, it'll pull up this homeowner's information and images that we've stored in CompanyCam, and we can choose a few images here. And the same is true on the inspection pages as well. Let's head back to CompanyCam here so that we can show the customer some problem areas that we found. And that's all there is to it.